we will of course start with that. Probably let's have a look at all the retained players. RCB का पहले बात करते हैं, not because of bias. जीते हैं भाई, defending champions.
Yeah.
And it's so good to see, so good to be able to say that RCB defending champions, of course.
Yes.
Yeah, these are the players they retained, and let's just talk about the players released क्योंकि कम नाम है वहाँ पे.
Yes.
Disha Kasad, Indrani Roy, Nadine de Klerk, Shubha Satish, Shraddha Pokharkar, Simran Badar, and Heather Knight. These were the names released. दो overseas players छोड़े, but उन्होंने एक को अंदर भी लिया. Danny Whitehorse, of course, being traded in. It was an all-cash trade, 30 lakhs being added to the UP Warriors kitty there. All in all, in terms of the names retained, Neha, happy with this, or do you think one of the release players could have probably been held on to?
I mean, in all fairness, when I looked at the release list, I was a little sad that they let go of Heather Knight. Again, I think this is coming from probably a little bit of recency bias. We saw glimpses of a good performance for Sydney Thunder. I think she was just playing with so much freedom and just giving you those late order blitz that was really helping the cause. I mean, the fact that they retained Sophie Devine, I think we've been talking about her T20. Performance is kind of diminishing and not being the best. So I was thinking if they had actually retained Heather Knight and probably let go of, Sophie Devine, that would be better. But again, looking at Heather Knight, she's the captain of England. She has her commitments in place. So if, say, an England tour clashes with the WPL, we know what she's going to prioritize, right? So probably that could have been a reasoning of why they didn't decide to go with her. Even the likes of Shraddha Pokharkar, liked what I saw of her, with that left arm pace and everything. Just let go of her. So that is a tad bit disappointing. Again with Shubha Satish.
मेरे को शुभा सतीश यार एक मैच भी नहीं खिला. I felt कि खिला के अगर भाई because Disha Kasad did play a fair few games, it clearly seemed like
but they were playing her out of position. That's why she couldn't really.
यार number 3 पे भी तो खिला था यार. Number 3 पे 0
match में खिला.
अरे यार. See, this only you can't. इतना अगर हम ये defend करेंगे.
I mean, Disha Kasad plays for Vidarbha, I think, and she plays in the top order, right?
Yeah. वहाँ पे number 3 के लिए खेलती है शायद. Number 3 पे खेलती है.
Number 3 or number 4, yeah. Either of those positions. But yeah, I mean, she was really put in like a high pressure match to deliver, which I think is a lot to expect. But I'm sure Disha Kasad will get a bit.
Zero weight. तुम अगर 10 पे 10 भी बना के जाती हो मैं फिर भी जीरो वेट क्या होता है यार. हाई प्रेशर तो मतलब क्या होता है. So ठीक है. I mean, all I'm saying is I understand where RCB was coming from. In terms of Heather Knight, I don't think there was too many thought put into it. Heather Knight के बिना ही championship जीत पाए थे.
Yeah.
So that way I don't think there were a lot of conversations, but one.
I was looking at the Sophie Devine and Heather Knight switch. Like they let go of Sophie Devine.
So what I felt they could have done was release Sophie Devine and head into the auction with with an overseas slot.
Kate Cross को उन्होंने retain किया है ना. What was the rationale behind that? Yeah.
That was a big surprise. I'm guessing they just wanted someone who is sort of in the same mold as Renuka Singh Thakur, primarily a new ball bowler and एक backup option के तौर पे रखते हैं करके. And maybe social media, brand and this and that. All of definitely.
CSK fan plays for RCB.
हाँ वो ठीक है. अच्छा है ना. देखा CSK वालों तुम लोग जिस टूर्नामेंट में खेलते भी नहीं हो वहाँ पे तुम्हारे फैंस को हम खिला के ट्रॉफी भी जीत रहे हैं. So I guess
that could be the reasoning.
So because those are the bragging rights they're probably going for there.
Yeah.
But in terms of the releases though, not too many surprises. But
Indrani Roy as well. Let's talk about her, right? I mean,
she's done well for Jharkhand. वहीं पे खेलती है वो.
No, Railways she plays. Huh?
She was playing for Jharkhand, right?
And then she.
Okay, I didn't know about that. My bad.
Listeners can also just
do let us know.
I think she's playing for Railways. There, she was not given enough opportunities, and it's been like a real torrid time for her. My heart really goes out to her because I think for pandemic time when India was playing those series here and there, she did get a few.
Yeah. She was
selected.
Yeah.
Didn't play, I think, but anyway, she was selected, and I feel she's never given her fair due. So that's a tad bit unfortunate. And again, RCB letting her go was a little sad. I think she has that sort of a firepower she can bring into her batting. So I'm hoping that there's a bid for her somewhere.
The way I would look at it is कि यार मतलब as a player also, I'd much rather go to a side जहाँ पे मेरे को खेलने का मौका मिले. जैसे पूनम खेमनार, she actually didn't do too badly for UP Warriors this season.
Actually, yeah.
But if you ask why did RCB release her, simply because उनके 11 में जगह नहीं बनती. तो खेल ही नहीं पाती, so she might as well play somewhere else. So hopefully Indrani Roy maybe with someone like a Gujarat Giants, doesn't she keep as well?
She keeps,
yeah. So exactly. So one of the sides Delhi Capitals can look at her instead of Tanya Bhatia. She could be
keeper.
Exactly. So let's hope that she does get her due there.
Yeah.
But speaking of course, their releases and retentions, we will talk about their playing 11 as well. Let's have the graphic out first. This is the 11. At least tentatively, this is how it's looking,
right?
Looking like. Yeah. Danny Whitehorse, Smriti Mandana, Elise Perry, Sophie Devine, Richa Ghosh, Kanika Hoja, Sophie Molyneux at number 7, number 8. खाली है 9, 10, 11, Shreyanka, Asha, and Renuka. We sort of discussed off it. Couple of things that I probably would look at. मेरे लिए this wouldn't be my first 11.
It wouldn't be yours.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for me, I still think I would have Kanika Ahuja at number 3. Elise Perry, Richa Ghosh, Sophie Molyneux. Georgia Warren is someone I'm going to play for sure. Sophie Devine won't be there for me. So Elise Perry, then it was Richa Ghosh, and then it was Georgia Warren at 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
I don't want to replace that because they did really well at those positions. Meghna, Disha Kasad, we tried a couple more names as well at number 3. कुछ चला नहीं. Kanika Ahuja, I'm hoping that she will be able to now come back. Left-hander भी है तो वो भी एक अलग dimension add करेगा हमारे middle order को.
But I think we are in consensus that Danny and Smriti at the top.
Yeah, at the top. Yeah,
because
agreed.
they've done well in Southern Brave as well.
Yeah,
Tried and
yeah.
tested combination. Luke Williams, thumbs up for that.
And also,
Sophie Devine doesn't open for you, right?
No. Sophie Devine is a backup opener for me. I know she's added a lot. Yeah, she's added a lot of value with the ball, but ठीक है यार. I'd much rather have Danny White-Hodge because she's a phenomenal player of spin. Something we spoke about earlier. We've spoken about Smriti's own struggles against spin in the power play. So
it's a given that she's playing.
Yeah,
in the play.
For me, too, yeah, I would happily take her because they complement each other very well. Danny White will be able to take down spin, so that would ensure that Smriti will have to focus on pacers and all of that. So I'd love to have her there.
Yeah.
And which means my number 7, number 8 slot khali hai.
थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, exactly. So spinners maybe there's Shreyanka, there's Asha, there's Georgia Warren, there's Sophie Molyneux. It's all packed. I'm interested to see who they go for. Pace bowling all-rounders जाएंगे या spin bowling all-rounders. Sneha Rana is going to be a part of the auction. Sneha Rana herself won't be a bad number 8. I know we already have an off-spinner in Shreyanka, but I don't think it's too bad an option. I know they let go of Simran Dil Bahadur. नहीं तो Simran Dil Bahadur also wasn't the worst.
But the way RCB was using her, man, like it was very confusing.
बहुत खराब
right?
fielding यार. For someone who is supposed to be a gun fielder, बहुत खराब fielding.
No, I mean, the way RCB was using her was probably not adequate. But I think going into the auction, yes, they will look for a pace scoring all.
I would imagine because Sophie Devine, agar nahi khelengi, they would want another pace option just to make sure that they are in good stead. So dekhte hain wahan pe kya hota hai. That's how we think RCB's 11 shaping up. Do let us know in the comments what do you make of it. Next, of course, we'll talk about the losing finalists. Delhi Capitals did not release a lot of players like last year. सिर्फ 4-5 लोगों को release किया था. But this time around, they've let go of Laura Harris. 2 साल उनके साथ थी, एक भी मैच नहीं खेला. Let go of her. Poonam Yadav again did not play a single game last season.
Slightly surprised there that they let go of Poonam Yadav because उनको शायद थोड़ा खिला सकते थे. We've seen her do her stuff at domestic cricket as well. So a tad bit surprised there. Aparna Mondal is someone who we were laughing off air as well. Season 1 they purchased her, let her go. Before season 2, then again purchased her and again let her go. So yeah, not sure what exactly is happening there. Again, she's the keeper option.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure keeping कितना करती है, but batter तो थी वो. खराब नहीं थी तो लिया क्यों? I mean, खराब नहीं थी तो release क्यों किया? खराब है तो लिया क्यों? पता नहीं चलता. 2 बार हुआ ऐसा. So it's but again a very settled side.
The playing 11 literally picks itself.
Exactly,
right?
a very well-oiled side that way. Let's have the playing 11 out right now. Unka again, most of the players like Neha said pick themselves. Meg Lanning at the top, Shefali Verma to open with her, Alice Capsey at number 3, Jemmy 4, Annabelle Sutherland 5, Jess Jonathan 6, Tanya, Arundhati, Radha, Shikha and Tita Shadu to cap off the 11.
Yeah.
All in all, looks a very settled 11. The only bone of contention for me once again is Tanya Bhatia. Number 8 पे तो वो नहीं खेल रही है भाई. Number 7 पे Number 7 पे उनको रहा ना.
They were playing her there only, no? 7, 8 पे खिला रहे थे ना.
किनको?
Tanya
Bhatia was number 11. She never batted.
I mean, she didn't get that much.
On paper, वो शायद quad ऐसा लिखते टाइम जो sheet होता है team sheet उस पे शायद number 7 पे लिखते थे और उसको बोलते भी थे कि हाँ number 7 पे खिलाएंगे तुम्हें. जैसे विकेट जाता है रुको पहले इसको जाने दो पहले.
But I think just looking at Delhi's squad composition as well, although the playing 11 literally picks itself, there's still some concern with form, right? Like Meg Lanning didn't have the best of the best WBPL, although kuch numbers hai which would suggest that she's there in the top run getters and everything, like top 10 or whatever. But again, not giving a lot of confidence. Shefali's again blowing hot and cold. I don't think Delhi would be able to replicate the kind of performances they did back unless we see like some sort of a massive change.
So massive change to nahi, but एक मेरे लिए, like I said, because Tanya Bhatia is a bone of contention for me. मेरे लिए एक ये था. Let's just go back to that playing 11 graphic producer साहब. I wouldn't have Tanya Bhatia. I wouldn't have Alice Capsey. Number 3
So do you think Delhi will go looking for a wicketkeeper?
Yeah, this is what I want them to do rather. Like,
so who would your options be?
Yeah, so for me, my option, I think Amy Jones at number 6, number 7 would be a great fit. नंबर 6 पे एमी जोन्स खेल सकती है, नंबर 7 पे जेस जॉनसन आ सकती है,
Okay.
नंबर 8 पे अरुंधति रेड्डी. That's a very competent low middle order there. And then at number 3, right now, given their options, Neha Deepti is the one top order batter that they've held on to in the last 2 years. So she's someone they can always play. She's played very, very well for Andhra.
Or do you think they can actually go into the auction and say get
A top order
Humaira
batter.
Kazi?
Yeah,
for
Humaira
example?
Kazi, exactly. They can do that. Aparna Mondal. Once again, उनको भी फिर से लाके उनको भी खिला सकते हैं चाहिए
Yeah.
तो. But I feel this would ensure that they will have a keeper who can actually add value with the
Yeah.
bat. So I personally would want them to do something in this direction. Just make sure you get in a keeper who can bat, यार. वो चाहिए.
Yeah, don't have specialist keepers in your
Yeah.
side. Just doesn't.
दो बार
make
फाइनल
sense.
हार चुके हो, so clearly that's a formula that's not worked enough.
Yeah.
So this is how I'm looking at it. Amy Jones herself hasn't done too badly for England at number 6, number 7 plays for
Brisbane Heat.
हाँ नहीं 100 का मैं सोच रहा था मैनचेस्टर ओरिजिनल्स इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग ऑरेंज रेड याद आ रहा है
Okay, yeah.
उनका ऑरेंज रेड है ना
Jess Jonathan.
नहीं
Amy Jones.
Yeah.
Amy Jones. Yeah, I think she.
बर्मिंघम फीनिक्स या मैनचेस्टर ओरिजिनल्स दोनों में से
Yeah.
एक है दोनों में से एक है
Birmingham.
बर्मिंघम फीनिक्स सॉरी ऑरेंज रेड इज बर्मिंघम फीनिक्स या बेग योर पार्डन बर्मिंघम फीनिक्स के लिए खेलती है वहां पे आई थिंक शी विल बी अ ग्रेट फिट फॉर देम एंड या तो दिस इज मोटा व्हाट आई वुड थिंक दे शुड डू और दे कैन डू देखते हैं क्या करते हैं. डू दे स्टिल स्टिक टू तानिया भाटिया एंड her specialist wicket keeping skills? Only time will tell.
And let's also briefly talk about Jess Jonathan, right? I mean, the kind of campaign that she had for Brisbane Heat.
Sixth final lost in the last year and a half.
consecutive, second consecutive one. So heart really goes out to her. But I think the way Jess Jonathan has been playing is also like very positive. Australia, she's not in favor for Australia right now. So plays a lot of franchise cricket and everything.
Yeah.
But Jess Jonathan gives me a lot of confidence that, you know, at least in that batting order, I placed her high because in that
that's fair.
final as well, मुझे कहीं लग रहा था कि, you know, what if she, you know, has the potential to take the match away. So in that sense, yes, like Jess
बहुत
Jonathan.
potential है and I don't mind Jess Johnson at 6 and Amy Jones at 7. You can play them as in how you like it. Situation based भी हो सकता है.
Yeah,
Left hander, right hander है तो matchup के हिसाब से वो भी देख सकते हैं. So will be a good fit there. All in all, this is how we think. I mean, I think Delhi Capitals can look at
shape
it, but
up, yeah.
Tanya Bhatia can also be stuck. तो दो बार finals आ चुके, so they're doing something right for sure.
Yeah.
Hopefully, they are able to cross the hurdle in 2025.
Cricket, cricket, cricket.